Hello friends, how are you all? So in this video, I'm going to fulfill a name request which I had got in one of my videos in the comment section. So can you guess which name is this one? Think. So also to remind you, if you wish that I write your name in brushpen calligraphy, you can um type your name in the comment section. I will write it for you as soon as and as beautifully as possible, and I'll send you the link below the comment where you will tell me your name. So here is it. The name is Ashwin. I hope it has turned out to be good. Let us just decorate it with some little motifs, some little heart shaped uh, decoration. This is. I hope it's looking good. I love this color. This yellow color is looking very good on that white background. Do let me know how you like this art of mine, and do send in your name in the comment section so that I'll write it for you. Bye for now.